Hello and welcome to English Echo Stories. Today we will explore the life of a man known as the toughest man alive. His name is David Goggins. But he was not born strong, confident, or successful. In fact, his story begins in darkness with fear, pain, and failure. David Goggins was once a young man with low confidence, a fearful heart, and a body that was unfit and unhealthy. He was overweight, unhappy, and stuck in a life that felt impossible to escape. He cleaned restaurants at night. He struggled to pay bills. He felt invisible. But the most painful truth was this: he hated the person he saw in the mirror. This story is not about muscles or running hundreds of miles. This story is about the mind and how changing your mind can change your entire life. David Goggins teaches us 6 powerful lessons. Let's explore them one by one. Lesson 1. Face yourself. The mirror of accountability. There was a time when David weighed more than 135 kilograms. Every day he woke up, looked at himself, and felt defeat. One day he looked in the mirror longer than usual. He did not look away. He forced himself to see the truth. He was not living the life he wanted. He was not the person he believed he could be. David calls this moment the accountability mirror. He wrote small notes and stuck them on the mirror. Wake up earlier. Run 30 minutes. Study for the exam. Stop lying to yourself. He didn't wait for motivation. He created responsibility. He made himself his own coach. This is your first lesson. You cannot change what you refuse to acknowledge. Stand in front of the mirror, see the truth, and decide. Not tomorrow, but today. Lesson 2. The 40% rule. David learned something shocking during Navy SEAL training. When you feel exhausted and think you have nothing left, your body is only using 40% of its true potential. There is 60% more strength inside you. Think about that. When you feel tired while studying, when you want to quit the gym, when you want to stop working on your dreams, your mind says, "I can't." But your body still has more to give. The 40% rule says, when your mind says stop, tell it to wait. Push just a little more. Run one more minute. Read one more page. Try one more time. Your growth begins after you think you are done. Lesson 3. The cookie jar. Remember your victories. Life gets hard. There will be days when everything feels heavy. On those days, most people give up, but David does something different. He reaches into his cookie jar. The cookie jar is not a real jar. It is a memory jar, a collection of every success, every achievement, every victory. Maybe you passed an exam. Maybe you learned a new skill. Maybe you survived a difficult year. Maybe you helped someone who needed you. These moments prove that you are capable. When you feel weak, remember when you were strong. Hold those moments close. They are your fuel. Lesson 4. Callous the mind. Become mentally strong. When you work with your hands and you work hard, your skin becomes tough. It forms calluses, layers of protection. David says we must do the same thing to the mind. When life is too comfortable, the mind becomes soft. But when we face difficulty on purpose, when we choose discomfort, challenge, and effort, the mind becomes stronger. He ran in the cold. He trained in the heat. He did things he hated, not to suffer, but to become unbreakable. You do not need to run 100 miles. But you can take cold showers. You can wake up earlier. You can do the hard task first. You can face small discomforts every day. and slowly your mind becomes a warrior. Lesson 5. Small steps, big change. We often think success requires big actions, but David discovered something different. Success is a result of small, consistent steps. He could not run 10 kilometers at first. He could barely run 1 kilometer, so he started small. Day 1, run 400 meters. Day 2, run 800 meters. Day 3, run 1 kilometer. Slowly, step by step, he changed. Your life will not transform in one day, but it will transform if you take one step every day. Remember, consistency is stronger than motivation. Lesson 6. The power of why people quit because they don't know why they are fighting. Your why is your purpose, your reason to continue, your fuel. David's why was clear. He wanted to become the person he never believed he could be. He wanted to prove to himself that he was strong, disciplined, and limitless. Your why might be to build a better life for your family, to improve your health, to make your future self proud, to escape the pain of your past. Whatever your reason is, remember it, write it down, speak it to yourself, carry it with you. Because when the road becomes difficult, your why will keep you moving. David Goggins did not become strong overnight. He built himself, slowly, painfully, intentionally. He faced himself. He pushed beyond his limits. He remembered his victories. He made his mind strong. He took small steps, and he understood his purpose. And because of this, he transformed his entire life. So can you. You don't need to be born talented. You only need the courage to begin. Look in the mirror today. See who you are. See who you can become. And take the first step. Your journey does not start tomorrow. It starts now.